What we are doing right now is getting the pyramid onto the crane truck. We have 2 trucks. We come in, we put in 5 each on each truck, and then we head into the barge. So hopefully everything goes smooth. It goes on the barge, we have a nice weather, and we have a smooth installation.
Good afternoon and welcome back to GAARP 2021. Just over my shoulder you'll see our installation of our first 5 pyramids for this year. We're very excited because this is the first time we've actually had our friend Underwater Solutions installing our pyramids for us. So we're very excited to be here, and we hopefully you'll look forward to the next installation of the Grand Anse Artificial Reef project.